Hello everyone. So I hope you guys are enjoying this course. Today we are gonna make our tic-tac-toe app. For that I have already created the new project. You just have to create the project like we did before. npx. First of all, you just have to go to your folder if you want to install, make the app in downloads folder. Just go to the directory cd download, then okay, it's saying download is not cd desktop. Okay, I'm going to desktop. npx react native init, then your app name, just type tic-tac-toe and enter. Then it will create the React Native app for you. So I have already created the app to save your time. So this is our app structure right now. My app is already running on Android. In my previous videos, I told you how to run the app on Android. If you don't know, then I suggest you to watch the second part of this course so that you can see how to run the Android app on Android Studio, take native Android app on Android Studio. Let's just start. First of all, I'm gonna just start my terminal. To start the terminal, I'm gonna say npm start. Sorry, npm start. So it's gonna start my terminal, and after that, I'm gonna just press R to reload the app. Press R to reload the app. So the app is reloading. So the app is reloading right now, and we will see. Okay, so it's loaded, and it should show us the screen now. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna do the navigation thing or creating the routes in this for this tic-tac-toe app, because there is no need for that. And if you want to learn about that, then I suggest you to please go back and watch my I guess the third part of this course, in which we set up every route and navigation part, etc. For that, I'm just gonna write the code in my app.js, and for that, I'm just gonna remove the whole code. Let's say I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna name this to app.js JavaScript. Okay, here we go. Now, in this section, I'm gonna teach you how to do the styling part in more pro level or mature level. So for that, I'm just gonna say just create the source folder in your root directory. So let's say src source, then just say in source folder we are gonna create our folder styles styles, and in styles we are gonna create style.js. Okay, in this folder we are gonna define all of our app styles, and we can call any style on any screen by just calling this component. Then in source create and okay, it's same shit happening again. So I'm just gonna go to my folder. Where is it? It's in downloads, and in downloads I'm gonna say tic-tac-toe source, which we just created. Here we are just gonna create a folder name with the name of component, components, component. In this components folder, we are gonna just make our board on which we will display everything, and for that we can just type the name board.js so that you can just easily remember that. Just type the file board.js, okay. Then again new file, and that will be space.js. So this is the structure of our app. What like we are all set. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. One is already available. We have to do this one. So for board, let's just design our board first. So first of all, import React. Sorry, like I always used to say, I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna say like this, and let's say const. I will use const this time. This is also a function, and in that const, instead of function, I'm gonna say const board. I'm gonna say turn and check turn. Two parameters I'm passing, and after that just on this thing. Okay, so we are all set for now, and we're gonna just type view, and first of all let's just put all the styles. So for that I have already uploaded the styles folder on my GitHub. I'm gonna provide you the link for GitHub in the description below. So you can just simply come here and just download this file, or just you know, check this file, and you guys can simply copy this code and paste it here in your styles folder. Wait, sorry, it should give me show raw option once again. No, it's not showing, so let's just, okay, by clicking that, just copy the file, come here in styles, again same shit, just click raw, and here Control A on Windows and Command A on MacBook, then press Command C, paste. So you already have your, you know, styles. It's gonna save our a lot of time. So this is the main component. We are importing style sheet from React Native. This is the main app. This is space style. This is bar style. So we have these three properties. So right now in boarding screen we are gonna call this board styles. Okay, in board styles we can just say board dot row, something like. Let me show you. Let me not confuse you anymore, because you guys are gonna confuse in this section, as this one is a bit hard part than we did previously. Now to call styles we can say board style dot board. Like, see here, the VS Code already imported the board style from styles style. So previously we used to call our styles like styles dot name. Now this is working as a styles. Board styles, we are saying go to the board style folder, okay, and then pick the style of board from the screen. Okay, so then again another view, again another style is equal to, we are gonna just call the row style right now. Similarly, board style dot row. These are the three styles we have in our in our board styles. So I forgot to add the style of container. So here at the top, I'm just gonna take another view and I'm gonna wrap everything in that view. Okay, style is equal to board style dot container. Okay, so we have defined all of our styles and we took three views, and now we're just gonna add our code. Okay, now add space is space id equal to 0. Space value will be turn, then in array 0. Okay, so after that we are gonna just so what was next, space id space value, and then we're just gonna set turn is equal to check turn. Okay, and we're gonna just close this. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now we are gonna just, I will explain this to you guys later, just keep following with me, because it's a bit hard part. Let's code first, then I will explain you, because right now if I will explain, you guys will get confused and that will be more difficult for you. So now in this view we have this is the row means, okay, I think let me just write it down, and then with the progress, like with the running app, I should explain will be more better for you. So then again we are gonna say view style is equal to board style dot row, and in that row again space id will be 3, turn will be 3. Here we will say 4 and turn will be 4, 5 and turn will be 5. So this one is also complete. Now again in another view, we are gonna say same thing, style is equal to border style dot row 1, 2, 3. So this will be 6, 6, 7, so 8 and 8. Oh, and for turn we have type turns. I forgot this. Because we define that as turns, not turn. Okay, so right now we have to export default board, the screen name. So our board screen is ready, and the styling you guys already took from the GitHub. Board is ready. Now we have to design our app.js, how to use this code. Okay, the other thing, you just want to manage your code, just command A, right click and select this option, and your code will be all good. This is the magic of Visual Studio Code. So I think this video is enough for now, because it takes too much time to upload on YouTube and then convert into 4K quality. So I'm just gonna make an other section for this game. So just keep following me, and let's move to the another video.